Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Shares of Nvidia rallied to a record high, making the chipmaker the first company in history to surpass a stock market value of $3.6 trillion, as Wall Street extended a rally sparked by Donald Trump's return to the White House. Shares on Wall Street scaled record highs, lifting stock markets around the world, while US Treasury yields retreated as investors processed a second Donald Trump presidency and an interest rate cut from the Federal Reserve. The 2024 United States presidential election brought substantial shifts in crypto policy outlooks as Donald Trump prepares to return to the White House for a second term. Crypto advocates, including Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, have expressed optimism that the changes may benefit the digital assets industry. The last session saw the euro rise 0.6% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Japan's coincident index will be released at 5 GMT, the US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 15 GMT, the US USDA WASDE report at 17 GMT. The UK CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT, the French current account at 7:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.